Samsung Smart Switch lets users easily transfer photos, contacts, apps, and more between devices via Wi-Fi or USB. However, frequent disconnections can interrupt transfers and risk data loss. This video explains the causes, offers step-by-step fixes, and suggests a reliable alternative for smooth data migration. Part 1. Why does Smart Switch keep disconnecting? Persistent disconnection in Samsung Smart Switch is usually caused by software or settings issues rather than hardware. Common reasons include unstable Wi-Fi or network environments, damaged or incompatible cables, outdated smart switch or phone software, interference from security software, and mobile power saving restrictions that limit background activity. Part 2. How to fix Smart Switch keeps disconnecting. 7 simple solutions are provided to help fix Samsung Smart Switch disconnection issues step by step. 2.1. Restart phone. Step 1. Power off both the sending and receiving devices completely. Step 2. Wait for at least 30 seconds. Step 3. Restart both devices. Step 4. Close redundant background apps, disable power saving mode, and lock Smart Switch in the background to prevent it from being cleaned by the system. 2.2. Check the network connection. Step 1. Ensure both devices are connected to the same 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, as Smart Switch may have poor compatibility with 5 GHz networks. Step 2. Turn off VPN, cellular data, and Wi-Fi assistant to prevent automatic network switching. Step 3. Keep the two devices within 20 centimeters during the transfer and avoid moving them. Step 4. Turn off other electronic devices that may cause interference, such as Bluetooth devices or microwaves. Step 5. Restart your router to reduce network congestion and clear redundant device connections. 2.3. Check or change cable and ports. Step 1. Use the official Samsung USB data cable instead of cheap charging-only cables. Step 2. Inspect the cable for cracks, bends, or internal damage. Step 3. For computers, use a stable rear USB 2.0 port rather than an unstable front port. Step 4. For phones, clean the charging port to ensure tight contact. Step 5. Avoid moving the devices during transfer to prevent loose connections. 2.4. Use wireless connection or repair devices. Step 1. Disconnect all external USB accessories. Step 2. Open Smart Switch on both devices and select the wireless transfer mode. Step 3. Follow on-screen prompts to pair devices. Step 4. If pairing fails, clear the connection cache and repair the devices at a close distance. Step 5. Avoid operating the phone or switching interfaces during transmission to prevent interruptions. 2.5. Update Smart Switch. Step 1. On your phone, check for updates on Google Play or Samsung Galaxy Store and install the latest Smart Switch version. Step 2. On your computer, download the latest version from the official Samsung website. Uninstall old versions to avoid conflicts. Step 3. If connection issues persist, clear the app cache and phone settings without deleting user data to resolve abnormal program errors. 2.6. Update phone system. Step 1. Enter phone settings software update. Step 2. Download and install all available updates. Step 3. Keep the device powered on during installation. Step 4. Restart the phone after updating, then launch Smart Switch to perform the transfer. 2.7. Temporarily disable Firewall or Antivirus. Step 1. Temporarily turn off the computer firewall. Step 2. Pause real-time protection on antivirus software. Step 3. Ensure no other management software like Samsung KEIS is running simultaneously to avoid conflicts. Step 4. After completing the transfer, re-enable all security protections. Part 3. Smart Switch keeps disconnecting? Try an alternative. If Samsung Smart Switch keeps disconnecting, the problem may be with the app itself. A more stable alternative is Coolmuster Mobile Transfer, which supports fast, wired phone-to-phone transfers across Android and iOS without overwriting existing data. It handles contacts, messages, media, apps, and ebooks, and is fully compatible with the latest iOS 26, Android 16, and iPhone 17 series.